Hi everyone, welcome back. So I've just come on to show you a couple more Ultra playing cards that I've made. I have this one. Okay. And this one. So what I use for this one, okay, the focal point is from this Van Gogh booklet I have. There's stickers. Got so many in here. I don't think I'll ever be able to use them all. Anyhow, and what else do I use? I use the frame around the picture of the ship. That's from Tim Holtz die cut for the specimen. So what I did was I just used this part around here and I just cut the rest off. And it was on black cardstock, not white. And then I went around it with the Stress Oxide Lost Shadow. And then I did some stamping and some white ink, white permanent ink. Okay, just some script. You can see just a little bit here, there, and everywhere. And underneath here, I used this one. This is from AliExpress. This is the washi tape. Okay, so I used a bit of that down here. And what I did was I had cut some part of this off because it was too much. I found it was a bit too much. Okay, too high. Anyhow, for the background, I use this is a book I got from AliExpress. Okay, so it's all maps. It's all maps. Okay, and what I did was also let me see if I can find it. Back pages. No, I can't find it. This one. See this? There. Okay, I had cut it from this one. See the strip here? I had cut this and I glued it on down here, down on this side, as you can see. And I also glued another piece from another one of the pages, this part here. Okay, at the top. I don't know how well you can see that. Yeah. And then this is Tim Holtz die cut numbers. The numbers that I'm putting on the cards are not significant in any way. They have no meaning to me. I just feel like putting whatever number on there. Okay. Then I went around the edges with um, Uncharted Mariner um, oxide, distress oxide, and then I went around it again with vintage photo distress ink. Okay, so that's that one. Oh, that's this one. And now for this one, okay, so that book I showed you with the maps, this piece here, I have different books and this one. This is just a piece of scrap from one of the pages from a book like that, something like that. And behind it, I just put some piece of coffee stain paper or tea stain paper. Um, and in the back is this here, background here. That's that's a Tim Holtz, one of Tim Holtz papers. Okay, and I also, for down on here, I use a piece of this. I used a piece of this. Okay, that's from AliExpress. That's the washi tape. And this here is a ticket from one of the tickets that I got from AliExpress. Okay, so you can see that's the picture there. It's one of the tickets that I took from there, and I put the number 75. It's from Tim Holtz, die cut numbers. And I also put, where is it? This is also from one of Tim Holtz die cuts, okay, from here. But I colored it with the Art Alchemy wax and white gold. And then I put a couple of broads in there. And that's about it, I think. Oh yeah, and then I used from Tim Holtz Small Talk, Own Your Dreams. Okay, which I messed up a little bit, so I went over in my black Uniball pen. So that's it. And then I just went around the edges with vintage photo distress ink. So that's it. So that's 2 more cards. That's 2 more cards. Okay, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know which one is your favorite. And that's it for now. And I'll see you guys another time. Ciao.